What's up guys, Jana Stolnick here with Legal Nurses Talk, and in this video I want to talk about the 5 highest paying RN jobs on the market as of 2020. So if you're looking at becoming a registered nurse and you're like, what is the path to the most money? This is a video for you. And also, you're gonna wanna stay till the end because at the end of this video, I'm gonna share a bonus career that you have probably never even heard of. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to my channel. You know what to do. Like this video if you're an aspiring nurse or a registered nurse looking at advancing your career, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll get updates every single Tuesday when we release a new video. So in this video, we're actually going to talk about the 5 most lucrative RN jobs out there as of 2020. So the highest paying registered nursing jobs as of 2020. And we want you to stay until the very end because I'm actually going to share with you a bonus career that not a lot of people have heard of. And it's really exciting. It's one of my favorite careers. So let's go ahead and get started with the career number 5 as one of the highest paying RN jobs out there. Number 5 is the Oncology nurse practitioner. So according to salary.com, as of 2020, oncology nurse practitioners make anywhere from about $113,000 per year to $121,000 per year. Being in the field of oncology requires a lot of special skill and a really special type of person, right? So it does require a master's degree and special certification afterwards in order to practice as an oncology nurse practitioner. But the amount and level of skill and caring that goes into this field is huge, especially if you're looking at caring for the pediatric population, the adult population, the geriatric population. So there are different fields within the scope of oncology nurse practitioners, but you can see that the amount of money that you can make here can be quite exponential. The next highest paying RN job out there is number 4, the orthopedic nurse practitioner. What is an orthopedic nurse practitioner? So this is somebody that helps people heal after a musculoskeletal injury. So somebody that, say, was playing football and got injured and needed rehab services. These are nurse practitioners that help care for them throughout their injury stages and through the healing stage. So if you want to be an orthopedic nurse practitioner, you need a master's degree and a special certification. So how much do they make? Anywhere from $113,000 per year to $127,000 per year, according to salary.com. So this is a super specialized field that does require a lot of education and a lot of knowledge in regards to injuries. All right, number 3 of the highest paying RN jobs out there is the cardiac nurse practitioner. The cardiac nurse practitioner makes about $113,000 per year. A cardiac nurse practitioner is somebody that specializes in caring for a person that has some type of issue with their heart. So this does require a special certification, and you can see that this is a very important RN job that requires a lot of skills, especially since we're dealing with the heart of a person. All right, number 2 is actually one of my favorite professions, the neonatal nurse practitioner. What is a neonatal nurse practitioner? So these are nurses that specialize in caring for premature babies. So little babies all the way up to 28 days of age and beyond. So the neonatal nurse practitioner is a highly specialized, highly skilled nurse that takes care of these really precious little babies. And it's a highly growing and very competitive field for nurses, actually. So the average neonatal nurse practitioner makes about $125,000 per year, according to salary.com, as of 2020. This is such a fabulous job. I mean, who doesn't love caring for tiny little babies? All right, the number 1 highest paying RN job out there as of 2020 and has been really running the number 1 for quite a few years is the CRNA, or the Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetist. Whew, that's a mouthful, right? What is a CRNA? Well, a CRNA is somebody that is highly skilled, has to have multiple years of the ICU before going through the CRNA program, and they're the ones that help people go to sleep during a procedure. So they work directly with anesthesia. That's a really important job. These nurses make anywhere from $180,000 plus per year. So this is a highly skilled job and requires a lot of knowledge for so many different bodily functions. This is a really, really great field, and we're seeing rapid growth in this field, which is really, really exciting. All right, so I promised you a bonus in this video, and something that I'm really excited to share with you is a field of nursing that I've been practicing in for 12 plus years, and that is the field of legal nurse consulting. So legal nurse consulting is where nurses work with attorneys directly, and they help them build their best case. So they're going in there and they're digging through medical records, and they're helping the attorneys understand exactly what it is that happened to this patient, either from a plaintiff or a defense perspective. Now, this is a field that really has a very wide range of how much you can get paid. So it just depends on how serious you are, if you're doing this part-time or full-time, but we've seen nurses actually hit the 7-figure mark in their own LNC business. So it's an incredibly lucrative business. If you are a business person, you have a desire for forensics, you have a desire for anything and everything legal, and you really want to grow and scale a very big business. That means hiring other nurses to come and work for you. There are, nurses that do this on a very part-time basis and make a couple $1,000s extra a year. And then there's nurses who make 6 and 7 figures per year. So it is a very lucrative business if you are a business-minded person that absolutely wants to go out there and crush it in the legal nurse consulting world. Please check out the links below this video. I have a ton of links to help you get started in your LNC journey should you choose to become a legal nurse consultant. You can also connect with me on multiple social sites. I would love to connect with you and hear more about you. Share a shout out in the comment section. Be sure you like this video and subscribe to this video so that you get updates every single Tuesday of all things nursing related. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all very soon.